they just stopped or lined up or?
They're
Trying to pull the truck out?
Oh, they're trying to pull that truck out, yeah. Wait, where is that? Is that the... Oh, that is the road. I see. I'm trying to figure
They're
it out.
blocking traffic trying to pull their car out.
Yeah. They need to get a couple trucks together to pull that one out.
Hey, leave that one there and everybody go freaking go by.
Holy cow, look at all the vehicles that are stuck. Oh, there goes a couple Jeeps.
Yeah, I'm not waiting.
What are they doing? Wait, they're on the other side of the road now, up here.
Maybe we're not getting out to get the tractor.
What's going on? They're coming this way.
I don't know. They're just trying to pull cars out.
Coming the wrong way. Oh, there's a cop there too, up there. Wow.
Hopefully they're all out of the way by the time we head back.
Looks like all these guys are just trying to pull all the vehicles out of here. So it looks like they're doing.
Well, you can't use a Jeep to pull people out because there's no weight to it.
I know. Well, looks like they're doing it. They're getting cars out.
One at a time. Well, I'm glad I didn't hang out here last night.
Oh my gosh, look at the cars. This is crazy.
Wow.
A slalom. Oh my gosh.
Sorry about the fancy camera.
I
wonder if that way is open. 24. Why are you doing it now? Wait till tomorrow when it's sunny.
Oh my gosh, look at them all up here. A whole ton of them.
Well, the wind pushed those guys off.
FedEx.
Yeah, I'm gonna get my package today. Wow.
Wow. This is crazy.
Anyway, your package is late. It's sitting right there.
There's a truck down there, went through the fence.
Facing the wrong way. Lucky they didn't roll.
Yeah.
Alright, that was fun.